Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be trying to upgrade the power supply in this ACER ASPIRE XC-1760. This is a slimline OEM machine obviously, and I've ordered the power supply for it. I have this 500 watt FSP unit. Hang on, let me turn the brightness down. There's a 500 watt unit, 12 volt only, 41 amp on the rail. Even if it's not 500, it's close enough for what I need. So, put that to the side. So, we're going to start by taking these two screws off out the back. One here, so I can actually get the side panel off. Sorry for the camera wobble there. Where have I put that screwdriver? I've already lost the screwdriver. Ah, there it is. Should take one, two. I don't recommend doing this on carpet. I just don't have a unit that can be bothered to put it on to do this. So there we are, we have it inside the machine. The original 108 watt power supply is up here. So now I'm going to, what am I going to do? I'm going to unplug this. I'm going to unplug this. So there's your 4-pin CPU and your 6-pin motherboard connector. Well, it's actually 5 pins been used. Just going to move the front panel connector out of the way. Fit. Why is there fit? Okay. Just pretend I didn't put a thermal pad there. I think it's from the SSD. Let's just get all these wires out of here. There. So we want to take the screw out of here, because I recommend doing the awkward ones first so you don't forget them. So that should be 3. And then you've got 4 screws on the back of the power supply. Got one there, and 2 more here. So let's take these out. Right there, and the power supply's dropped. So now we're going to lift the power supply out of the machine. So there we are, here's our light on power supply, 180 watts. Yeah, 180 watts max, 15 amp. Really wimpy little power supply. It weighs less than the FSP unit, which you would expect from a lower power supply. So now we want to actually take this bracket off here. So another screw, all the same screws, so don't worry, I've been mixing them up. Even the black ones are the same. They're just different colour. So we can get the old power supply to the side. I'm going to take the new power supply. Going to look at the way it goes in. Then yeah, bit like that. So you got this thing here. I don't know what this is called, but where it says 8L for 8 litres for a good guess. Put a screw in. And move the wires out of the way as best you can. And put the power supply in. So make sure it lines up with the holes on the back, which I have. Sorry, that was out of focus. And you're going to put this awkward screw in first. We'll do the wires later. So we've got these 4 screws at the back here. Well, that's a big capacitor there for a little 500 watt power supply. We'll need the screwdriver to thread these ones in. So you gotta tighten all these screws up and you're nearly done with your power supply. So there we are, that's all the screws in. You don't want to over tighten them, just tighten them to where they stop spinning. So now we're going to take our wires, we're going to separate them here. So that's our graphics card connector, which is why I'm not getting the power supply, because I'm putting an RTX 4060 in this machine. So we're going to try and untangle this wire a bit. And then we're going to thread it into here. Just kind of make a little loop. And plug that into the motherboard. I think I might need some zip ties for this, but I'll do that off camera. Then essentially the same thing for the CPU power. Just gonna take it, push it through here, and then this is a 4+4 pin because I went for the 500 watt variant. But just gonna make sure, no, just put it to the high resolution camera. So we're gonna take that, slide that in. So now you've got 8-pin CPU power, so you can push that little i5 or i7 a little bit harder, hopefully. So there. There. So we've got cables in, just ideally you want to zip tie it, but I don't have one around me, I don't think. No, I do not, but I'll zip tie this to here, just keep it a little bit tidier. So now we've got an 8-pin power connector for our graphics card, which I'm just going to stuff up here for now because I have not ordered the graphics card just yet. Got to wait until I get paid for that one. Stuff it in here. Just want to snag all these wires. Right, so that's all in now. We're going to take our side panel. We're not going to put it straight like that, we're going to do it back till it drops in, then you're going to slide it closed. And we're going to put the back 2 screws in, exactly the way we pulled them out the first time. I mean, Ideally you want to test it before you pour it in, but I'm just doing it all the way because it's just a small PC. It's nice and easy to sort anyway. So now, alright everyone, we're back. We've got it hooked up to the TV. We've got keyboard and trackpad thing plugged in. So it should just fire up. Fans are spinning, that's a good sign. Tilt the TV a bit. It's working. I'm going to open Cinebench. I'm going to start all the way from Info 64. And what we want to check is core power and temperature. That CPU package, that's what I want. So that's running. So the CPU is pulling 84 to 85 watts. And it is a lot quieter than the original power supply. This original power supply had a lot of coil whine, so I can't even hear the machine at all. It's silent. So that was a nice upgrade, and it should run my RTX 4060 when I get that in a couple of weeks. Alright, see you guys.